Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add logo showcase for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a logo showcase. Here you want to click sign up for free. When you're going to sign up with the email or passwords, it's really up to you, or Gmail, click login. Now here, you want to write logo. And you're going to see it here, logo showcase. Let's create a widget. Now you have option, what kind of logo slider you want. Like, let's choose this one here. Let's continue with the template. Now you can literally change every single logo, link it if people wants to go to their site. You can change it from slider to carousel. Carousel is good. And then you got style, the background you can change and everything. Let's click save here. Right after, you need to choose a plan. You can start with the light version if you're just starting out with your site. But if you have already like 5,000 or 50,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. Let's add the code here and let's paste it to our HTML. Let's click save, preview. And voila, here we got really great logo showcase on our site, on our HTML site. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. And if you have problems about adding your HTML code from L-Site, you can also write to L-Site support. See ya.